Most people use AI tools the same way they use a calculator. They ask a simple question. They get a simple answer. And they move on thinking they got value from it. What they are missing is that AI is not a calculator. It is a complete work acceleration system. And the people who understand this are saving 10, 15, even 20 hours every single week while producing better results than they ever did manually. Today, I am sharing 10 specific AI hacks that save serious time every week. Theory, not vague tips. Specific techniques you can implement today and feel the difference immediately. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI income strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. Hack 1. The Brain Dump to Action Plan. Most people waste 30 to 60 minutes every morning figuring out what to do with their day. Open Claude and type everything that is in your head. Tasks, worries, ideas, deadlines, random thoughts. Just dump it all out in one unstructured paragraph. Then ask Claude to turn it into a prioritized action plan for the day. Claude organizes the chaos into a clear, ordered list with the highest impact tasks at the top. What used to take an hour of mental wrestling takes 3 minutes. Every single morning. Hack 2. The email response system. Email is one of the biggest time thieves in any professional's day. Reading, thinking, drafting, editing, sending. Each email can take 5 to 15 minutes if you are not careful. Ask Claude to write a response template library for the 20 most common types of emails you receive. Client follow-ups, meeting requests, proposal responses, complaint handling, feedback replies. Save these templates in Notion. When an email arrives, select the closest template, personalize it with 2 or 3 specific details, and send. What used to take 10 minutes per email now takes 90 seconds. Hack 3. The meeting prep shortcut. Walking into a meeting unprepared wastes everyone's time and makes you look disorganized. But thorough meeting preparation used to take 30 to 45 minutes per session. Before any meeting, paste the agenda or the context into Claude and ask it to prepare you completely. What are the key topics? What questions should you ask? What outcomes should you aim for? What potential objections or disagreements might arise? Claude gives you a complete meeting prep brief in under a minute. You walk in prepared, confident, and focused. Hack 4. The Research Accelerator Manual. Research is one of the most time-consuming professional tasks that exists. Reading articles, comparing sources, synthesizing information, forming conclusions. A thorough research session on a complex topic can easily consume 3 to 4 hours. Ask Claude to research any topic for you and present the findings in a structured summary with the most important points highlighted. For specialized current information, use Gemini, which pulls live data from Google Search. For analysis, synthesis, and well-written summaries, use Claude. The combination of both tools collapses multi-hour research sessions into 15 to 20 minutes. Hack 5. The Content Repurposing Engine. Creating content from scratch for multiple platforms every day is exhausting. Most creators either burn out or post inconsistently because the volume feels impossible. Create your main piece of content once. Then ask Claude to repurpose it into every format you need. Turn a YouTube script into a LinkedIn article, 5 Instagram captions, a Twitter thread, a newsletter section, and 3 Pinterest pin descriptions. One piece of original content becomes 7 different assets in under 10 minutes. Your content output multiplies without any additional creative effort. Hack 6. The First Draft Machine. Writer's block is not a creativity problem. It is a starting problem. Staring at a blank page trying to find the perfect opening wastes enormous amounts of time. Never start from a blank page again. Give Claude a detailed brief for anything you need to write. Reports, proposals, presentations, blog posts, sales pages, emails. Ask Claude to produce the complete first draft. It will not be perfect. It does not need to be. A strong first draft that needs editing is infinitely faster to work with than a blank page. Your job is now editing and improving rather than creating from nothing. That shift alone saves 2 to 3 hours every single week. Hack 7. the summarization hack. Long documents, lengthy reports, extended articles, hour-long meeting recordings. Consuming all of this information in full is impossible without sacrificing enormous amounts of time. Paste any long document or transcript into Claude and ask it to summarize the key points, decisions, action items, and important details in bullet form. A 40-page report becomes a 2-minute read. An hour-long meeting transcript becomes a 1-page summary you can review in 3 minutes. You stay fully informed without spending hours consuming content in its full original form. Hack 8. The decision framework. Important decisions consume mental energy and time disproportionate to their actual complexity. Most people either rush decisions carelessly or overthink them endlessly. When facing any significant decision, describe the situation to Claude in full detail. Share your options, your constraints, your goals, and any relevant context. Ask Claude to analyze each option, identify the key trade-offs, flag any considerations you might have missed, and recommend the strongest path forward with its reasoning. Claude gives you a structured decision framework in under a minute. You make faster, better-informed decisions without the mental drain of going back and forth in your own head for hours. Hack 9. The weekly review automation. A proper weekly review, assessing what you accomplished, what you missed, and what needs attention next week, is one of the highest value habits any professional can build. But most people skip it because it feels time-consuming and hard to structure. Every Friday, open Claude and paste your task list, your calendar, and any notes from the week. Ask Claude to generate your complete weekly review. What did you accomplish? What carried over? What blockers appeared? What should your top 3 priorities be next week? Claude produces a structured review document in seconds. Your weekly review habit goes from something you avoid to something you complete in 5 minutes every Friday. Hack 10. The learning accelerator. Staying current in any fast-moving field requires constant learning. But reading entire books, watching long courses, and consuming hours of content takes time most people simply do not have. Use Claude as your personal learning accelerator. Ask it to explain any concept you need to understand. Ask it to break down complex topics in simple language. Ask it to compare competing ideas or approaches. Ask it to give you the 20% of knowledge on any subject that delivers 80% of the practical value. Combine this with asking Claude to create a personal learning brief on any topic you want to develop. 5 key principles. 3 common mistakes to avoid. 2 immediate action steps. This structure converts any learning goal into actionable knowledge in minutes rather than hours. Your action plan. Starting today, pick 3 of these 10 hacks and implement them today. Not next week. Today. Start with the brain dump to action plan every morning. Add the email template library this afternoon. Use the first draft machine for the next thing you need to write. Each hack saves between 30 minutes and 2 hours per week. Implement all 10, and you genuinely reclaim 10 or more hours every single week. That is time you can reinvest into building income, learning new skills, or simply living better. Which of these 10 hacks are you trying first? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment. If this video saved you time just by watching it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.